Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Are you thirsty? No, I'm not. What's for breakfast? We're having eggs and toast. Do you want some milk? Yes, please. Do you want some juice? No, thank you. Can you set the table? Sure, I can. Can you help me in the kitchen? Of course. Is breakfast ready? Yes, it's ready. Is the coffee hot? Yes, it is. Is the tea too hot? No, it's just right. Would you like some bread? Yes, please. Would you like some butter? No, thanks. Can I have another slice of toast? Yes, you can. Can I have some cereal? Of course. Do you like eggs? Yes, I do. Do you like oatmeal? No, I don't. Did you wash your hands? Yes, I did. Did you brush your teeth? Not yet. Can you pass the salt? Here you go. Can you pass the jam? Sure. Is there any milk left? Yes, there's some. Is there any juice? No, there isn't. Are the kids awake? Yes, they are. Is everyone at the table? Yes, everyone is here. Who made breakfast? Dad did. Who wants pancakes? I do. Do you want more coffee? Yes, please. Do you want more tea? No, thanks. Can you open the fridge? Sure. Can you get the butter? No problem. Where is the bread? It's on the counter. Where are the plates? They're in the cabinet. Is this your cup? Yes, it is. Is this your spoon? No, it isn't. Can you pour the milk? Yes, I can. Can I have some water? Of course. Do you eat breakfast every day? Yes, I do. Are you ready to eat? Yes, I am. Is the food delicious? Yes, it's very tasty. Is the toast burned? No, it's perfect. Would you like another egg? Yes, please. Would you like some fruit? No, thank you. Can you clean the table? Sure. Can you wash the dishes? I'll do it. Did you finish your breakfast? Yes, I did. Did the kids enjoy breakfast? Yes, they did. Are we running late? No, we have time. Is the kitchen clean now? Yes, it is. Can I help with anything? Yes, please. Wash the dishes. Is everything ready? Yes. Let's eat.